If you want to get iPhone ringtone on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all we need to go to the Play Store and we need to download an app that allows us to get the iPhone ringtone. So we can just simply type iPhone ringtone over here, and then we can use one of these apps. I'm gonna use this one as an example. Let's install it. Of course, feel free to try any other app if you don't like this one for some reason or if it doesn't work for you. So let's open it, and I'm gonna show you how to get the iPhone ringtone based on this specific app. So if you see an ad, of course we need to close it. Let's grant it the permission, press OK, and allow modifying system settings. And now over here we have our ringtones that we can use. So you can choose whatever you wish to have. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. So you can tap on it, press ringtone, and of course we need to close the ad. So let's wait for the ad to be done. There we go. And we have set the ringtone successfully, so we can press OK. And the ringtone should be set up after that. However, if the ringtone didn't change, then we can go to the settings of our phone, choose sound and vibration, go to the ringtone, choose pre-installed ringtones, then once again select ringtone, and to check if you have your ringtone in the list of your ringtones over here. In my case, you have it here. If you don't have it, then you can press this plus in the bottom right corner, choose audio files, and then select the ringtone from this list. And there we go. Remember that you need to select it from this list as well. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.